Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Git on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the browser option here, and I'm gonna just type Git on my Windows, Git download, and click enter. And here you can see on the first search result, you can see Git install for Windows. This is their official website. Click it. And here you can see there are different types of option: Windows, Mac, Linux, build from source. So I'm gonna download it for my Windows PC. So click the Windows option here, and here you can see Git for Windows 64. As my PC is 64-bit, I'm gonna select this one here. After clicking this one here, the installation process, the download process has already begun, and this is the latest version 2.52.0. So now we wait for the download to be complete. As you can see, the download is completed. I'm going to select the show in folder here, and here is the file to install. All I have to do is simply double click it and select yes. I'm going to minimize all of these, and here their license and stuff. Scroll down all the way down, and after that you can read all of that. If you want, select next, and you can also change the location. I'm gonna keep it all as it is. Select next, yes. And yeah, I want to add the shortcut. Just click it if you want to add the shortcut on your Windows PC, Windows desktop. Click next. You can also change the browsing, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. Next. Click next. Let's select this, like Git this site, and Git from the command line and also from the third-party software. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Select next. Use bundle OpenSSH. I'm gonna also create this as it is. Use the native Windows Secure Channel Library. I'm gonna select this also as it is. Check out Windows style, commit unisex style, line ending, and select next. I'm gonna keep it as it is as well. Same goes for this, same goes with this as well. Same goes with this as well, and select install. And the installation has begun. So all we have to do right now is to wait for the installation process to finish. The installation is finished. I'm going to select the finish option here, and to confirm and go to CMD, that is the command prompt, and click it to open. And here just type Git. And here, if you see all of this command prompt on your CMD after typing the Git, that means your Git has successfully installed on your Windows PC. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.